Hello kids, this is Kids Rhyming Land.
Look kids, what we have today. An excavator. Oh, excavator got stuck. Let's make some path for the excavator. Let's find out all yellow dominoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last is 5. We have picked all the yellow colors. Oh no! Now the orange color car got stuck in the dominoes. Let's make a path for the car. Let's find out all the orange color dominoes. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have find out all the orange color dominoes. Look, this is a police car. It also got stuck. Let's make a path for the police car. Let's find out all the black color dominoes. Black 1, 2, 3, 4, and where is fifth dominoes? Fifth, yay! A blue racing car. Let's find out all the blue colored dominoes matching with the car. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh no, we put the green. Hey, this is the blue color. Good job. A green color racing car. Let's make a line for the green color dominoes and make the path. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hey, this is 6 dominoes. Let's do some fun. Let's go and hit the dominoes. Yay!